Grab a container and fill it with some high quality potting mix. This is where your sweet peppers journey begins. Next, we're setting up LED grow lights. These are your seedlings' best friends indoors, giving them the light that they crave. Moisten that mix with a good splash of water. Now sprinkle your precious pepper seeds on top like you're tossing sprinkles onto a cupcake. Delish, guys. Cover them up with a thin layer of perlite and vermiculite. Give them a gentle spritz to ensure they're nice and moist. We're talking spot treatment for seeds here. Now, cover your container with plastic to create a mini greenhouse. This keeps things warm and humid, perfect for germination. For that final touch, place a seedling heat mat under to dial in that mix temperature to around 85 degrees Fahrenheit. In just 7 to 10 days, you'll see your little pepper babies sprouting up. And there they are. Aren't they cute as a button? But don't get too attached, they grow up so fast. Prick out your seedlings and transplant them into seed trays where they can stretch out for a few weeks. After about a month, it's repotting time. Use cups with drainage holes, pop out a seedling plug, and into the new cup it goes. They'll thank you for the extra room.
Thank you.
Give them a drink, but remember, no beer. These peppers are underage. Fast forward about a month. Now you're gonna prep your planting site with some composted cattle and sheep manure. I know what you're thinking, crappy, right? But this stuff is gold for soil structure and nutrients. Don't forget the bone meal or a balanced granular fertilizer. This gives your peppers a solid macronutrient base to thrive on throughout the season. Sweet peppers may not be that bright, but they love the sun, so make sure they get at least 8 to 10 hours of full sun every single day. Alright, plant your pepper now. I like to use plastic containers because they hold moisture better, but biodegradable peat pots work well too. Just tear away the rim or the whole pot, depending on how ambitious you are. Keep those pesky weeds out of the picture, growers. We want all the nutrients going to our peppers, not the freeloaders. Staking isn't essential with peppers, but it sure helps because the plants get heavy when they're loaded down with fruit, and the stems are pretty brittle. Better safe than sorry, I always say. From personal experience, I find that insects don't usually bother sweet peppers, but if they do, a quick neem oil spray or insecticidal soap will most likely do the trick for you. Water deeply once a week. This encourages a strong root system and makes for a healthier, more productive plant. One final touch is fertilizer. I feed my peppers with Bloom Booster 15-30-15 water-soluble fert once every couple weeks to promote solid flowering and fruiting. It's higher on the phosphorus, which is key to a top-tier crop. With some patience and care, you'll be harvesting bucketfuls of sweet peppers in no time. You want to grow sweet peppers, so obviously you're pretty cool. Hey, maybe you're cool enough to drop a juicy like? Let's see if we can get this video to 5,000. That would be amazing. If you did find this helpful, make sure to subscribe and peek around at some of my other pepper videos. Cheers, happy sweet pepper picking, and I'll see you next time.